Mike here with another video. I'm going to show you how to do some cleaning on your computer to speed it up and make it run faster. What you have to do first is you have to right click on the start button, the Windows button, and then click on run. And in the run box you want to type temp, then you hit OK, and then you hit continue, and whatever you have in there, you can do Control A and delete it, and then you do the same thing. You go back to the start, you go to the run box, and you type in prefetch, prefetch. You hit OK, and then you open up this folder also, and you'll see a lot of temporary stuff. You can do Control A on your keyboard and then hit the delete key once you highlight it, and then you just close that out. If you don't get it all, don't worry about it, and you can go back down and do it for the third one, which is the temporary, but with the percentage sign before and after temp, and then hit OK, and then whatever's in this box you can highlight, and you could hit delete on your keyboard, and that will speed things up for you because you just deleted all the unnecessary temp files that get stuck in there and make your computer run slower. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.